Dear students, we will do a new module, module 28. We are starting with computation of taxable salary. Each module I will work out two problems, so it will be easy for you to understand. So for the first module, part 1, we will do two problems. So the first problem is Mr. X is working in a private airlines at Chennai. Population above 25 lakhs as per 2001 census and above 40 lakhs as per 2011 census. See, some universities are still following the old scheme, some universities are following the new scheme. So I will be working out this as per the old scheme and the new scheme. His monthly salary is rupees 80,000 per month and he is getting rupees 16,000 per month as DA. It's not entering into retirement benefits. He has received rupees 84,000 as bonus and rupees 24,000 as educational allowance for his two children. Bonus is taxable. Education allowance, you know that 100 per child for two children, it's only allowed. He is also provided with a flight allowance of rupees 4,000 per month to meet his personal expenses while on duty. This flight allowance is also called the running allowance. You know that 70% of the running allowance actually received or 10,000 per month, whichever is less will be taxable. He is also provided with a rent-free unfurnished accommodation with a fair rental value of rupees 2,40,000 per annum. Compute the taxable salary of Mr. X for the assessment year 25-26 as per the old scheme. Now first thing is RFA computation we have to do. So RFA computation. So here particulars as per the old scheme 1/4/23 to 31/8/23. 5 months it will be a different rate, that is 15%, and from 1/9/23 to 31/3/24 it will be 10%. So here we will write the particulars and here we will write the total. So the first one we will take for 5 months. April, May, June, July, August. Remaining 7 months for the September onwards. So salary rupees 80,000 per month. So here 80,000 into 5. You will get 4 lakhs. Here it is 80,000 into 9. 5,60,000. 5,60,000. Total is 9,60,000. 9,60,000. Next is DA is not entering into retirement benefits. So DA we will not take for RFA computation. Now bonus, total value is 84,000. 84,000. This we have to divide for 5 months and this for 7 months. So 35,000 and 49,000. Next is children education allowance. Education allowance. Actually the amount received is 24,000. In that 2,400 is exempted. So the taxable portion is 21,600. You have to divide for 5 months and 7 months. 9,000 and 12,600. 12,600. Flight allowance. I told you the actual value, 70% of the actual value or 10,000 per month, whichever is less. So here taxable value is 14,400. When we will do the computation of taxable salary, I will show the computation. So here we will get 6,000 and here you will get 8,400. 8,400. Now salary for the computation of RFA will be the total of this. Salary for RFA. So this total is 4,50,000. 4,50,000. This is 6,30,000. So total value is 10,80,000. Now for the 5 months it's 15% as per the old scheme. That value is 15%. That value is 67,500. 67,500 RFA value for computation. 67,500. Next is 10%. This is 10%. Value is 63,000. Now total is 1,30,500. 1,30,500. This value we will take it for computation of taxable salary. Now, table showing the computation of taxable salary. Okay, once you complete the computation of RFA computation, the salary computation is very simple. We have to consider all values. Salary 80,000 into 12. 80,000 into 12. The value is 9,60,000. 9,60,000. Now DA, here you have to take that. DA value is 16,000 into 12. 16,000 into 12. So the value is 1,92,000. 1,92,000. Now the third value is bonus 84,000. Bonus 84,000. 84,000. And next is education allowance. He received 24,000 minus 2,400 exempted. So 21,600. Education allowance 21,600. Now next is flight allowance. I told you. Actually he received 48,000. Exempted amount is 70% of 48,000 is, or that is 33,600, or 10,000 per month, 1,20,000. Whichever is less, the value, least value is 33,600. So taxable flight allowance is 14,400. 14,400. Now we have to RFA unfurnished, we already calculated. RFA value we have already calculated. 1,30,500. 1,30,500. Now you have to take gross salary. Gross salary. Gross salary, the value is 14,02,500. 14,02,500. Now less deductions under section 16. Less deductions under section 16. Here it's only standard deduction. Professional tax is not there. Entertainment allowance is not there. So 50,000 you have to reduce. 50,000 you have to reduce. So your taxable salary is equal to 13,52,500. 13,52,500. So this is the first problem I wanted to explain. Now the second problem, problem 2. Mr. R, a private sector employee, is working in Mumbai. Population of the city is more than 25 lakhs as per 2001 census and above 40 lakhs as per 2011 census. From the following information, compute his taxable salary for the assessment year 25-26 as per the old scheme and the new scheme. Now, both the methods I am explaining for RFA as per the old scheme and the new scheme. So consolidated salary 1,68,000. Consolidated salary 1,68,000. Furnished RFA on which company pays an annual rent of rupees 15,000 and the cost of furnishing the house is rupees 10,000. Employer has provided with a refrigerator by paying a rent of 180 per month. See, company pays an annual rent. That meaning house is not owned by the employer. So when house is not owned by the employer, as per the old scheme, 15% of salary or the actual lease rent or the lease rent paid or payable by the employer, whichever is less, will be the RFA computation. When we come to the new scheme, it is 10%. 10% of salary or lease rent or rent paid by the company, whichever is less, will be the value of RFA. We will not go by the population values. This is the rule when house is not owned by the employer. So it is also provided with a car with a cubic capacity not exceeding 1.6 liters without a driver by the employer for both personal and official purposes. Mr. R and his employer is contributing 10% of salary towards RPF. So RPF will not come into picture. When it's exceeding 12% only it will come. But car is a perquisite. Now first one, RFA we can compute as per the old scheme. RFA. So consolidated salary is given 1,68,000. 1,68,000. 1,68,000. We are calculating as per the old scheme. So it's 15% of salary. 15% of salary. That value is 25,200. 25,200. Company is paying a rent of 15,000, whichever is less. So this is the value of RFA. And cost of furnishing is there. Cost of furnishing, so 15,000 plus cost of furnishing 10,000 into 10 by 100, 1,000. Then the actual hiring charges of a refrigerator 180 into 12, 2,160. So the computed value of RFA is 18,160. Now you have to remember this is as per the old scheme. Now new scheme, the change is that 15% is reduced to 10%. So here 1,68,000 into 10 by 100, that is equal to 16,800. Rent paid by the company is 15,000, whichever is less. So here also you will get 15,000. So as per the old scheme and new scheme, RFA value is same, 18,160. So here you have to remember cost of furnishing also new scheme you have to add, and hiring charges of the refrigerator. So value of RFA is 18,160. Now you have to compute the taxable salary. So once you compute RFA, it's very simple. That is consolidated salary. First is consolidated salary 1,68,000. 1,68,000. Second is RFA. RFA value we calculated 18,160. 18,160. Car, a small car, 1.6 liters, that meaning 1,800 into 12. Car value into 12, the value is 21,600. 21,600. If driver is provided, 900 here to 900 into 12 also will come. Here driver is not included. RPF will not come because it's not exceeding 12%. Only an employer is contributing about 12% will be taxable. Here it is only 10%. So now we have to take the gross salary. Gross salary value is, gross salary is 2,07,000. 2,07,760. 760. Now less deduction under section 16. Standard deduction is there. Standard deduction 50,000. 50,000 06775. Value is 1,57,760. 1,57,760. If it's as per the new scheme, only the difference is gross salary minus standard deduction is 75,000. So here 067, 1,32,760 will be the taxable salary. So both the methods I have explained, and it's very important you have to see the difference, especially the computation of RFA and computation of taxable salary as per the old scheme and new scheme. These two problems I wanted to explain in this module. Happy learning. Thank you.